Hello everyone, do you want to see how I transform our guest room into baby's room? If you want to know more, just keep on watching. So guys, as you have seen in the previous video, this was guest room. So I already started moving stuff inside. I removed the bed. This one I have to remove as well and start rearranging the room for Ana Sofia. So let's begin. I'm just gonna remove one by one. So now that I've already removed the mattresses, I'm thinking of how am I gonna arrange this room. So what you can see here guys are all, well, most like 90% are secondhand. So this one, we got this from a Filipina as well here in Norway. And most of the clothes were just given away from like gifts. Yeah, most of the clothes are like new, but I have a lot of this that's like secondhand, like this one. All of this are secondhand. So yes, we have to save. I mean, I think babies these days, I mean, they grow up really fast, so they don't need like new ones when they're still like maybe 0 to 1 year old. And then after that, yeah, you can start buying stuff, but not so much. So if you want to save, I will suggest that you just buy secondhand. This was given by Filipina as well. Geraldine, hello. Thank you so much for this. Okay, so yeah, this curtain, I have to replace it. I'm gonna replace this with the one that you will attach on the ceiling. And I just bought the fabric and I'm gonna do it myself as well. Yes, DIY mom.
Here?
No, not like that. Wait. Hold it.
Where do you fasten it in this?
In here. And then you need to be in here.
Life is not safe.
It needs to be even. Is it even? It's not even Steven. Even Steven. So guys, I'm gonna put some decoration here in Sophia's room. I'm gonna put some decoration in Sophia's room and I'm gonna stick to it onto the wall. struggle is real. Ayaw dumikit nito. Itong dream na to, visit. Here's now the big reveal. This is now Sophia's room after I finished fixing everything. So as you can see guys, most of the stuff here are secondhand, but nevertheless, they're still good and they look like they're just new and I just bought it in the shop, but actually it's not. So most of her stuff I put in here, like the cloth and for cleaning and stuff. So I just want everything here in this box so I can easily see it. And her clothes of course is in here. So on the first drawer or on the top is mostly for her toys and her necessities, you know, like this hairbrush and her mittens, mostly for basically for newborn. And I like to put organizer inside the cabinet because, you know, it's easier for you to find stuff that you need to use, especially husbands. They always can see what they need to see. So yeah, I make sure to put it like this in a box. Like here, there's socks and different stuff, and also her new clothes are in here from 0 to 6 months I think, and this is her accessories and something that she can use for photo shoot. And this cabinet, drawer, is second-hand clothes from friends. I made sure to separate it so I can return it because someone is also pregnant. And the last drawer is when she's 2 to 3 years old I think. And of course she have this hangers and stuff, where she can hang her clothes. Basically these clothes are also gift from tita's friends and lolas. So mostly these clothes are when she's going out or going to a party. Babies go partying as well. So yeah, she's actually ready and we're just waiting for her. And these are her towels and blankets. And of course she got shoes too. As you can see here guys, I did not buy a lot of shoes because babies grow really fast. And this is the end of room tour for Sophia. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Maybe Sophia is in her room soon. Bye!